Hi, this is Mark at Perpetual Wealth Strategies. I've opened up a demo account at Oanda. It's a practice account, so we'll call it paper money. All right, so it says there's $1 million equity here in the balance and then the equity. Free margin is 1 million. It's a 50 to 1 account. All right, so if we can see in the account history, the exposure, and then the trade. So we have the trade open here. What we're going to do is we're going to open up the folder, the navigator. You can hit Control+N if you like. And we're going to use this EA. It's a Perpetual Wealth Range Breakout Strategy Expert Advisor. I made it specifically for this project. So we're going to go ahead and open up under File, New Chart, open up the Euro USD, and we're going to open up the navigator, and we're going to right click and hit Attach to a chart. All right, so Perpetual Wealth Range Breakout Strategy comes up. We have some common. All these need to be clicked. Check marked here, check marked. So inputs tab, we will put in magic long number. We will put in a magic short number. You can use everything that is there already. In case you're opening up a number of pairs, then what we can do is we can change this for each pair. So let's say we use Euro USD 1111222222. If we go to, say, the Great Britain USD, the pound dollar, then we could change this to, say, 3333 and 44444. So that would help if you're having a problem opening and closing your orders. So for now, we'll just leave that the same, and I don't think you'll have any problem if you open up multiple currency pairs. Move the stop loss to break even. You could change this to, say, 20, and the break even add pips, you could say 7. There would be a 13 pip area there. You might want to go for 21 pips, so you might want to change this to 31 and 10. And you could move your trailing stop to, say, 21. So every time this got to 32, this would change to 11, 33, this would change to 12. Activation level, you could say 32, which would be one above the stop loss to break even. So let's just put 32 in there. And normally I'd just go ahead and leave all these at 0. But for the sake of argument, we will look at it. All the rest, you can leave the same. If you want your risk percent to be 3%, we can change that. If you want your lots, if there is no money management, which means that if this risk was set to 0, then this would take over. So let's say maximum lots were 2, so we could change this to 200. Maximum slippage would be 3, verbose is 1, true for support, for ECN brokers, and display info panel. If you didn't want the information showing up on the right here, then you could hit this to be false. We'll leave it true for now. And when you get everything selected just the way you want it, then you hit OK. All right, so now what do we see? I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. I'm going to maximize this. And what you see is Perpetual Wealth Range Breakout Strategy, and you see a happy face. If you click on the happy face, the inputs will come back up for you. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel because I've already got it finished. If I wanted to, I could save this strategy and put it in here. And once it was saved, then I could go back up here. Let's see. Okay, so we'll hit OK. We're going to cancel here now. Market is open. It's Friday. We've got about a half hour left for the market, so we probably won't see anything here, but it's generated by the Perpetual Wealth Strategy EA software. Perpetual Wealth Range Breakout Strategy EA, that's Expert Advisors, what it stands for. Perpetual Wealth Range Breakout Strategy, and a happy face. Last signal, open profit loss, account balance, total profits loss so far, total profit loss so far, total profits and losses so far in number. So if there were 5 winners and 1 loser, it would show up right here. And then the total profit and loss so far would show up whatever you've made, like $1,100, $1,200, whatever it is. All right, so we're going to change this to the M15 framework. And what I want to do is I've got this all set up now. So I want to save this template. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and check the shift to the end so that it's opened. It's opened here. And I want to use the candlesticks, and I want to hit 2 clicks on the plus sign. 1, 2. So now I can see my candles. Set on the 15-minute time frame. And that's about all we need to do. Now we're going to go ahead here and hit templates. We're going to save the template. I want to set it up to my T1 Perpetual Breakout EA, and you can save it here with whatever you want to call it. I have a 1T here for it. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. It's overwriting, so I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. Yours, for the first time, that won't come up. All right, so now I've got the Euro USD 15-minute time frame. I've got a happy face here, and the auto trading. Notice what happens when you hit auto trading, it turns to an unhappy face. So the auto trading has to be on. The easiest way to turn this whole program off and manage it manually is to click on the auto trading, turn it off, and now it will force you to control it manually. So let's keep it on. Let's let the machine do all the work. It is a robot, and it will open and close the trades for you. So let's go ahead and open up a new chart, the USD Japanese. We will go ahead and select the time, the 15-minute time frame using this 1T Perpetual Wealth Breakout EA. Now it's still on the H1, so you're going to have to select the M15. Then we're going to go ahead and do this again. New chart, Euro Japanese, 15 time frame. Choose the breakout EA template. Let's go ahead and choose another one. Australian USD 15-minute time frame. Choose the template. Choose another one. Now I think you get the idea exactly how to use this. and get it set up for the first time. And then the program will just automatically open and close all the trades for you. I'd like to stay away from highly volatile trades, although I suppose that wouldn't be necessary because it's going to open up one cancels the other order automatically. And you'll see what I mean by that when one of your trades is opened up. Your trades will show up down here. And when one is opened up, it will appear above the balance line here. So we'll see that a little bit later. So with that said, I thank you for watching the Perpetual Wealth Range Breakout Strategy. Expert Advisor lesson for the day is Friday, October 7th, 2016. And thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later.